this is Bella.
Hi guys, this is Lucy. Today we would like to introduce our one of the most popular LED products, T150 Flood Light series. T150 is best-selling and popular product in amongst our flood light series in our company because the quality is very high, using high-quality cameras, brands Meanwell driver and Nichia LED chips, so we almost know after-sale progress. We will use these flood lights in many large venues such as stadiums, arenas, recreational sports, multi-sport halls, local siege, coastal areas, airports, and so on. T150 has 7 power consumption available: 30 watt, 60 watt, 80 watt, 100 watt, 150 watt, 180 watt, 200 watt. Use Meanwell Sourcing inventionist power supply option. Internal use pure aluminum mixing with cold-forged technology, which provide 50% higher thermal efficiency than decast material, and it is made of tempered glass. Combined with high-end Meanwell drivers and linear LED chips, T150 defines a top class of flood light.
T150 is suitable for many flood lighting needs, providing more than 6 options of optic length. And it has a strong ability to withstand the environment, operating temperature -40 to 50.
Guys, if you are interested in our T150 flood light, please follow us and feel free to contact me. See you next time. Bye bye.